Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am showing my daughter how to make hair, and as you can see my cornrow, this hairstyle that I'm wearing, I made it by myself. So I want to teach her how to take care of her hair and also how to make it. She washed this doll's hair and I put conditioner and she detangled it, so she is beginning to learn how to make hair. So let's see how I can teach her, because I didn't know how to make hair as an adult. I had to learn it from her hair. So now I can make her hair and I can make my hair too. So I'm going to teach her how to make hair with this doll. Okay, so to make hair you have to pick a section. So she has already parted this side out, so let me start. You divide it into 3. 1, 2, 3. Instead of making it, you give one to the other. Stand up. She knows how to make braids, but she doesn't know how to make cornrow. This doll is still a bit
because we left it for over a year.
Tangled, but that's okay. I apologize for the background noise. My husband was doing something in the kitchen. So the idea is
pick it up as you go.
Pick it up as you go. So one of my plans for this summer was to teach my daughter how to make hair. I mean, she might not know it immediately, but with time she will practice and know it very well. But we are on to a great start. So share in the comments below, what are you teaching your child on his or her summer break? And as an African woman or parents, it is important that we teach our children how to take care of our hair, so that they can style their hair however they want.
Almost done.
Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if I was able to pass this knowledge effectively. Thank you so much.
And there you go. My turn. So the hair was very tangled, and as you can see I struggled with it. So this is it, cornrow. She's gonna make her own to see how she has learned or learned. So you part it, part another side. Also, teaching our kids how to understand and maintain our natural hair is very, very important. So as she's making this hair, she's also learning how to take care of her own hair. So this side is fully detangled. And are you ready to show me your skills? You're not ready? Okay, let's do this side. So no,
this,
I want to do it.
you take 3, shade into 3. You know how to do that already. And I will do it then I will. You pick it as you go. So this side is far more better.
We should have done that for years.
See, you pick as you go. Let your hand be picking hair. You give to this one.
It's like an extra.
Once again, I apologize for the background noise. So this was my daughter's first time, and I just took a camera to record this so that you can teach your child how to take care of African hair, how to style our hair. Oh, this was much more easier. I will loosen it, then you will do it yourself. You ready? So I know you can do this one. It's practice. It's practice. It's practice. So this is more smoother because it's more detangled. Okay, Joanna, your turn. So this is loosened. Okay, your turn. Sit down. Mm-hmm. 3. Just like normal and braids, but this one is gonna stay on the hair, just like this one.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. 3. How you gonna shade it? Mm-hmm. No. See, like this. Get it from here. You are going backward. You're not doing like this forward. You are going backwards and see. Let me show you.
Oh, wait,
Take. You take 3.
Tola,
You
you're
are
so
taking
annoying.
3 here. Collect it from here. Turn this one. Collect it from here. Turn and collect from here. From there you start picking the hair as you go. And collect from here. Turn and collect from here. Turn, collect, turn, collect. You pick hair as you go. You collect, okay? Turn, collect. So this it takes practice. It takes practice. So you try it. Let me make it soft. Okay, try it. Take 3. Take 3. So try to take. We are using two lines. There are 2 lines. So try to take the 2 and divide it in 3. Good. Good. Collect it from here. See, collect it. Come back. Like this. Hold this. Like this. See? Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. And this one. She kept braiding off camera and voila!
Turned out pretty bad, but
It's not that bad. This is our first cornrow. It's not bad. She can perfect it with time.
How long did it take you to do yours?
Well, I learned it from your head, and the more I practiced, the more I knew how to do it better.
Oh, 2 years?